Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're gonna talk about SettleMate app, whether it's legit or just another scam. But disclaimer, everything in this video is based on research and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I did this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. SettleMate claims to simplify the process of settling debts by connecting debtors to creditors through a user-friendly app. The website is secured with a valid SSL certificate and is marked safe by DNS filter, which is a good sign for security. However, there are some red flags. The website's owner identity is hidden on who is, which can be a warning sign. The site is very new and has a low traffic rank, indicating limited user adoption so far. The site's content couldn't be fully analyzed by some monitoring tools, which makes it harder to verify the legitimacy of its service. Now, for the final verdict, while SettleMate shows potential with a secure platform, the lack of transparency about the company behind it and its newness suggests caution. If you decide to try it, proceed carefully and don't share sensitive information until you're confident it's trustworthy. Thanks for tuning in. Have you tried SettleMate? Share your experience below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Stay safe and stay smart.